Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Clark and we are dividing decimals and we are going to do this question here, 4.59 or 4 and 59/100 divided by 0.3 or 3/10. And I was really intimidated when I first went to divide decimals, but it's so much easier than I thought. You just have to look at this number here, the divisor, and if it's not a whole number, you have to make it a whole number. So 0.3 or 3/10 it's a decimal, it's not a whole number. So you need to turn it into a 3, a whole number 3. And you do that by just moving this decimal point over. And you're allowed to do that as long as you do that to this number too, and then you're good. So I turned it into a 3. Come over here to this 4 and 59/100 and just move the decimal here. And that's pretty much it. One more thing is that this decimal point, your answer or quotient is going to have it in the same spot. So wherever that is, just move it up. And now you can just divide like usual. So we're now doing 45.9 divided by 3. And whatever answer you get will be the correct answer. So now we're going to do long division. And if you know how to do that, you can pause or stop the video and just go ahead and do it, or you can check in with me later and just see if you got it right, which is a really great way to practice. But we're following the steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And if you want to do it in color, I have purple, red, green, blue, just to help you follow the steps. But you can also just grab a piece of paper, whiteboard, and just follow along. So 4 divided by 3, or how many times can 3 fit into 4? Just one time. Next, you'll multiply into this red box here. 1 times 3 is 3. The next step for this green box is to subtract. You'll do 4 minus 3, which is 1. Next, you're going to bring down the 5. That was all 4 steps, so you just start back at the beginning to divide and put your answer in this purple quotient box. So you're going to do 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Next, multiply into the red. 5 times 3 is 15. The next step is to subtract 15 minus 15, which is 0. Now you'll bring down the next digit and you'll divide again. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 minus 9 is 0, and you're all finished when you get a 0 at the end. So 45 and 9/10 divided by 3 is 15 and 3/10. And that's also true of your original number, which was 4 and 59/100 divided by 3/10 would also be 15 and 3/10, and this is the correct answer either way. So that's how you divide decimals. You just move the decimal point over and bring it up and then divide like usual.